Selenia, Baba Beach, Mama.
Hello YouTube, Ash here, welcome to another episode of Special Talks. Today I'm doing a movie review, and the film I will be reviewing is The Lion King. And as usual, well, sometimes I have a special guest because today is a daddy and daughter review. Please welcome Amy, Joe, Peschel, and Lulu the dog.
Stop it.
Hello Lulu. Say hello to the camera. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Oh goodness. Okay. Say hello Lulu. Okay, kiss Lulu. Okay. Okay, that's Lulu. Hello Lulu. Fish dog.
Hello, baby.
She's gonna bite you. She's fish. Stop.
She's so small. Hey, yeah, let's go.
Okay,
Bye.
go. Get rid of the
I'm
dog.
gonna go put her, okay?
Go away. So we went to watch The Lion King, which is a live-action CGI live action, I don't know what it was, adaptation of the classic cartoon from Disney. Once again, it's from Disney. It's got loads of amazing cast in it, and this is the first time, because she's going to start going blah blah blah.
Stop it! I didn't do it!
Alright, so anyway, this is probably the first time that we actually, because we went to watch a lot of films together, you know, Godzilla and things we haven't done reviews for, but this is the first time you didn't like the film that much. Yeah, and I'm going to be honest with you.
Cartoon.
She preferred the cartoon, and I'm going to be honest, I did not tell her to say that, so you can't say, oh, kids will love this. You didn't like it that much. And why? Tell me why you didn't like it, just now. Your chance to talk.
Because the animals, when they talk, their mouth is like, mama. They don't like when I talk, I look at me, I'm just doing it again. I'm smiling when I'm talking, they don't.
Yeah, so they had no emotion, you know, they were sort of like stiff and like that. And the cartoon, like in the cartoon, yeah, in the cartoon, okay, they have. But see, this is something that I would have mentioned, but I didn't think that a little girl would notice. And also, you said it was a bit scarier than the cartoon.
No.
You said it was a little bit.
Okay, fine.
But I'm not going to take anything away from the storyline, which is a fantastic storyline. Obviously, The Lion King is a great story. The thing is, it's just the same story. It's just the same story as the cartoon. So it's nothing new.
And Mom and me thought they were real animals.
Oh yeah, because you thought... No, that's what I mean. The special effects were fantastic because you guys thought it was a real animal. I'm going to just do this because it's low battery. And yes, that's one thing this film definitely has going for it, because the special effects do look like real animals, so you cannot take that away from it as well. It's an amazing CGI, it's amazing, and it should definitely win an award. The only thing is, it's not... it just didn't feel right.
Are we
It just
gonna
didn't feel...
do the
What? Ratings, yes, just wait, let me just talk about everything else. You want to take a break, 2 minutes break? You want to show the toys? Yes, okay, so she's gonna usual random stuff.
No, they are yours. And if you didn't notice, this is new. The
That's
rubber
new.
band is new.
Her rubber band
It has
is-
eyes.
Yeah, it has eyes, which is
It's
creepy.
a bunny.
It's a bunny.
It's not a creepy.
Okay, it's a bunny. And
It's under the chair, guys.
okay, yeah,
Oh,
something's
the
under the
stool.
chair. Under the
And
stool.
I want a chair.
Yes, we need to buy her a chair because she's fed up with it. So these are some new Funko Pops that we got. We're taking a break from The Lion King. That's Freddie Mercury from Queen.
No, we have to turn it.
Yes, they see it.
See
Okay,
what
don't worry.
you're doing.
Don't.
Okay.
Hopper from Stranger Things. Yes, they've seen it.
Dustin.
And Dustin from Stranger Things as well.
If you think I saw the film and I know the characters, no, it just written here.
But we're gonna watch Stranger Things.
Yes, but I have to grow.
You have to grow up because it's a bit scary.
There's Harry Potter and
Yes.
there's this shit.
We've got lots of Funkos up there just to show people
And
what's...
there's
Okay. Okay, so can I get back to the Lion King?
yeah.
So Lion King, as I said, the music was fantastic, but again, it was the original music. The feelings, the emotions, I felt like I was gonna tear up a bit during the film, but it's not because of the.
Gonna tear up.
You were gonna. It means you were gonna cry. Were you gonna cry? When were you gonna cry during the film? When Mufasa dies? That's not a spoiler. Everyone knows that Mufasa's gonna die. Anyway, so when did you feel like you were gonna cry?
I don't
You don't know. But anyway, I was going to tear up a couple of times during the film, but
No, that's
mostly because they were the emotional moments that I remember from the cartoon, because the cartoon is one of the best cartoons
But
ever.
when Mufasa died, I was like,
Yeah, she did. She did.
Daddy.
Yeah. So so it is an emotional, but again, the emotions get triggered because we've already seen them and already experienced them. I felt the performances of the characters came off.
They should do like when Simba turns into an grandfather.
No, right. They should do the Lion Guard like action. That would be cool.
Yes, yes.
That would be cool because it's a
And
different
I
thing.
would give it a 5 because I love it.
Because you like the Lion Guard. But again, as I said, the emotions got triggered because it's from the original film, and the performances felt dry. They didn't feel fresh. They didn't feel energetic as they were in the cartoons. But anyway, that's it. That's what we're going to talk about today. Because basically everyone knows
Ratings.
Yes,
Come on.
rating. So, Amy Jo, what would you give this out of 5? That's the ratings. Okay, so anyway, I'll give this film a 3 out of 5 because the story is fantastic. The emotions are there. It's a beautiful story, but it's the Lion Guard. I cannot give anything lower because the Lion King. See, you're talking about King. Well, she mentioned the Lion Guard, but the Lion King is a fantastic story. It's one of my favorite cartoons, so I can't give it any lower than 3 because the story, music, everything is brilliant. It's just plastered into something strange. That's it. So your rating.
I was gonna give it a 3, but now I wanna change it.
What do you want to give it now?
I'm gonna change it. Give me some time. Please, some patience.
1 hour later.
2.5.
2.5. So you didn't really like it that much. I realized that you didn't like it that much because you were jumping up the seat, you were going to buy popcorn, you were going to buy a drink, you were going there, you were going there, you were going there. It's one of these, I know when you enjoy a film because you sit down and watch the film. This time you were fidgeting. But anyway, that's our thoughts on the Lion King live action. Let us know in the comments down below what you guys thought of it, and do you have the same feelings like me? Like you like the story, you like the songs, you like the music, but it just feels weird. Anyway, that's it. That's it. I want to thank you all for watching this video. I've been Ashley. She's been Amy Jo.
Guys, good night and goodness.
So anyway, if you did like the video, hit that like button, and also if you're new to the channel and like what you've seen, I do daddy and daughter reviews with Amy Jo when there's sort of a kids film or a film which I think she will enjoy. And yeah, I do movie reviews, trailer reactions, TV reviews, don't know what else, and we will see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Little baby, bye.